Hey everybody, welcome back to Kreationz DIY, and today we're going to be doing some plumbing into the wall. So in this rental property, someone had sweat pipe into the wall, which means it's metal on metal. They used a kind of welding technique or bonding technique where they put a solder and you can't get it apart. I've used some heat so that we can get our new pipe for our new sink inside here. So we're going to go through everything. We're going to cut this out. I'm going to teach you how to put all this together. We're going to install this, have a sink here, and on the next video, little Easter egg for you, we're going to take this pipe behind the toilet through the wall and make a kitchen on the other side. So if you want to see and learn how to do all this great stuff and save you money, hit the subscribe button and follow us. There it is. So, I was going to use the Sawzall method because I didn't know any better, but my friend told me just to get it hot like when you sweat the pipe in, and you can grab a pair of pliers and wiggle it and pull it out. I mean, was that not easy? So for me to buy a pair of pliers for 10 bucks and one of these for 10 bucks or 30 bucks, I've already saved myself $150 for a plumber to come to my house, and I get to keep the tool and the map cast. So let's move on.